UFO Next Gen Take 2. I'm going to extend it 18 feet. $12 feet. Almost extended to 18. There it is. And here we go. Oh, one more time. There it goes. All right, let's take a look. Couple scratches. Headrest popped off. Absolutely no structural damage whatsoever. Noticed in test 1 we had a rib pop out. We fixed that. We're gonna screw these ribs in. Obviously it works because the rib stayed in place. Did not pop this time. So take 2, a complete success. This is where the brunt of the drop was. Just a few nicks and dings. There you have it. UFO Next Generation layout boat. The strongest, most durable layout boat on the planet.